Okay, folks, I'm going to try to show you how to clear your service maintenance log on your 22 Mercedes Sprinter. I think it could be 19 and newer. Well, you'll see the steering wheel, obviously, and be able to tell what model you got. But this is a 22, and this is a gas motor. I don't know if it matters, but here's the deal. You got to press the ignition button once. You see over here, hit it once. My foot's not on the pedal or anything. Then you hit this little back button and hold it for like 5 seconds. Then after 5 seconds, you push the square button. See this one? And now you see that vehicle data stuff coming up. I'll show you the screen if I can really easily here. Okay, so you know what to do there. Now you use the little mouse thing, and we're going to scroll down. 1, 2, 3, brake pad. Now the assist plus, you can see that. So it's under brake pad, and then I'm going to select that with the mouse. And then you actually have, once it says that, it tells you what to do. You have to switch the ignition all the way on. So I'm going over, hit the button again. Foot is not on the brake, so I'm not starting it. I'm just getting all the lights on the dash. Okay, now it says service, mine's overdue. So now I just hit that mouse button again, the pad, mouse pad. And now it says, if you can see that, full service and service data. It's highlighted on full service. Probably doesn't show up on video real well. Anyway, you can go to service data with the mouse and then select it. And you can see it says like workshop code 617 and service code B. It is talking about the service B. Then you can scroll down and you can see I'm 113 days behind schedule. And it says I have 300 miles to go. I don't know what that means really, but I guess maybe I do have 300 miles to go. Anyway, I did my oil change way early on this thing because I like to take care of it. And I checked everything basically. I haven't done anything major. There's only 14 or 15,000 miles on it. So let's go back and we're going to go to full service. I'm doing this with you live because I've not actually cleared it. So I think we're going to, it says service 1, service 2, service 3, or service 2, service 3, I'm sorry, and confirm service. Again, I'm just using the mouse pad to get down there. And so I'm going to hit the mouse pad to confirm service. Is the service carried out? I'm going to go over to yes. I moused over to yes, and I'm going to select it. Boom. Withdraw not possible. I don't know what that means. I guess you can't go backwards. So we'll go over to confirm, and I select it again. Full service carried out. Okay, let's see what it says now when I clear this thing. I'm going to just shut the ignition off. Okay, so let's pretend we just hopped in the car and we're going to start it. Brake pedal held, start it. Okay, no complaints about service anymore. I'm out of fuel, so it does complain about that, but range 86 miles. Okay, I think we're good. We cleared it. Okay, I hope that helps you guys. I'm going to do it one more time for you. I think I can do this. I'm going to turn this thing off. Okay, so one button on the ignition, one hit. Oh, that's 2. Okay, so it was still on. So let's just, now that it's on, let's go and hold the arrow button down, the return button. I'm going to hold that down for 5 seconds. Then I will push the mouse pad. And it didn't work because I'm probably not in ignition 1. There we go, ignition 1. Let's do it again. Hold the arrow button down, the reverse button. 5 seconds. Then I will hit the mouse pad. Boom. Not doing it. Maybe there's something. Let's see here. Hold and then mouse. There it is. Does work. Hold the back button down for 5 seconds or more, then hit the mouse pad, and we come into data, vehicle data. In those selections, I'm mousing down to assist plus. Select it. Switch on ignition. All the way on now. I'm not starting it, just switching it on. All lights on the dash now. I got my silly reserve fuel thing, so I got to get through that. Go to full service. Come down if you want. You got service 1, service 3. Oh, I must have done... Now it says service 1 and 3, not 2. Maybe 2 was cleared. I never cleared 1. Let me go into service 1 and try to clear that one. It won't let me select it. It won't let me select it. Okay, service carried out. You go over to yes and confirm. So I'm not going to go any further because I already cleared one service. So that's how you do it. I hope that helps you guys. Take care. This again is a 22 Mercedes gas. Take care. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.